In this video, I will show you how to change language on Steam. To get started, what you want to do is open up the Steam app, or you can use the web-based version of Steam if you want to. And once you're logged in, if you come up to the top left-hand corner of Steam, click onto Steam up here. And from this menu that comes up, you want to click onto Settings, which is the second option from the bottom. What that's going to do is open your Steam settings window. Next, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Interface. If you can't read the language, then what you want to do is look out for the option that has a picture of a computer monitor. Give that a click, that's going to load up your interface. From here, what you want to do is use the option at the top, which is for the Steam client language. So if you come over to the right and click onto this drop down box, this is going to display all the supported languages in Steam. From here, select the language that you want to change to. So mine's currently set to English, but if I wanted to change, for example, to French, I would select it from the list here. And once you've done that, you need to restart Steam to apply the changes and, of course, change your language on Steam. So that is how to change language on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials.